when writing programs, we have to sometimes repeat the same number of tasks again and again. Okay, sometimes we have to repeat the same task definite number of times. That means for do the same thing for each item in a file or each item in a list. Okay, so if we are repeating the same task or a definite number of times, like for each item in a list or each item in a file, we can use a for loop. Okay, so we will look at the syntax of for loop. Okay, so for loop looks like this. Okay, for each item in a list of items, we do something for each item. So we select each item in a list and do something for that each item. Okay, so it looks like this. For each item in the list of items, then here I do something for that item. Okay, so this runs through each item of the list. Okay, so let's look at example how to use this. Okay, so last time we had this SAR countries list, we printed the element. So now if I want to print all elements, I have to go print SAR countries 0, print SAR countries 1, print SAR countries 2, print SAR countries 3, print SAR countries 7, 4, 5, 6 and 7. No? So we have to repeat that print statement. Okay, and it's a fixed number of times because this definite number of times, because we starting from 0th element, we go up to the 7th element. We know we are doing it inside the list. Okay, so we can use that for loop here. So we start for, I will say country in countries. Okay, so here I countries, here I have to put a semicolon. Okay, then my code get indented, and this indented code I know it's going to be inside the for loop. Okay, so now I say print. Here I do something to each item, not for the whole list. Okay, so here it's important I say country. Okay, country is each item, so here I say country. Now if I run this, it will print each country. Okay, okay, sorry, this one, okay, this should be SAR countries. Okay, because name of the list is, I should have given SAR countries. Okay, so here I should give the name of the list. Okay, so my name of the list is SAR countries. So here I should use SAR countries. Then here I can put any name to describe item. Because each item is a country, I put country. Okay, here I can put any name, but here I have to give list. Same name I give here, I should have to give here, because I do it for each item. Okay, now if I run this, you can see it print each country. Okay, here if I want, I can use I instead of country. I can say I. Okay, it doesn't matter. Here also I can say I, but it's better to say country because this I this time represent a country. So I forgot the in keyword. Okay, this in keyword is important, so still it will work. Okay, so I can give anything here, but this in keyword is important. Okay, don't forget that one. So here I go for country again, and here I get a country again. Okay, it have to be just same thing here and here. Because this is a country, I use this one. Okay, so if we want to look at the logic of this thing, it works like this. Okay, so it start, if it's last item, it will do the body of the loop and it will stop. Otherwise it will do the body of the loop and it will go for the next element. Okay, it's check whether it's the last, then do the body and stop. Otherwise do the body and go to the next one. Okay, so if we see here, it do the first element and then check whether it's the last. No, it goes to the next element, again do the body of this thing. So this body get repeated again and again for each element in the list. Okay, so to see this, we can see it in action in Tony editor. Okay, let's copy this one and let's go to editor. We can paste this one and go to debug mode and let's see. Okay, so first what is, okay, so go to debug mode and first it will construct the list. Okay, so it's identify the list and it constructs the list. Okay, so it's constructed it will construct the list. Okay, so it constructs the whole list. Now it will go to for loop and identify the body. Now it will look at the list. Okay, it will take all the list. Okay, so there is the list, so it will take the whole list. Now country, it will start from the first element, Afghanistan. Okay, it will go here. It will go to print statement, then country, which is Afghanistan. It will print Afghanistan onto the country. Okay, next it will go to this none part, because print is returning none. We did discuss about that. Second country, Bangladesh. Okay, and then now country is Bangladesh. It will again execute in the print part, you can see. Okay, it will execute the print part of the body again. Okay, Bangladesh. Now Bangladesh is not the last element. It will go to next element, Bhutan. Okay, country is Bhutan. Now it will print Bhutan. Okay, then it will go to next element, India. It will print country is India. It will print India. It will go to next one. So it keep going like this. Okay, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan. Now it's up to the last country, Sri Lanka. It will print Sri Lanka. It will stop because it's the last one. Okay, so you can see this print one get again executed again and again to each country. Okay, so what happened here, instead of country, if I put sub countries, print here I will do start countries. I will put it outside the variable. Okay, this is outside the variable now. Okay, print start countries. It will print all the list ones. Okay, because here this is outside of the for loop. No, what will happen if I move this inside? If I move this inside, now it will get printed again and again. Okay, so you can see here. So for after each country, print out the whole list. Okay, see, after Afghanistan, it print out the whole list. When I come to country Afghanistan, it print this, because this is inside the body. That treatment also get executed. So it prints the whole list here like that. Okay, you can see that you can include more than one print statement in the body. Okay, but if I use the SAR countries, it will print everything. Okay, for example, if I want here, I can say here, this is single form, and here I can say okay. So now if I run this one, these two print statements will get printed. Okay, I'm in India, hello from India. I'm in Maldives, hello. Okay, so hello. So if I go to top, see, I'm in Afghanistan, hello from Afghanistan. I'm in Bangladesh, hello from Bangladesh. It will print both of these statements, okay, again and again. So hope this is clear. I will stop here. Okay.